Hello! Today we're going to be opening the Disney Princess Crochet Kit by Jana Whitley. I bought this kit out of pocket, and this is actually the second time I've bought this kit. The first time I got the kit was from Barnes & Noble, and this one was ordered from Amazon. This has to be one of the best kits I've ever used, and I have made all of the characters several times. Included in the box is enough materials to make two princesses, which is Cinderella and Ariel, and then the pattern book comes with 12 patterns. So we'll go ahead and get this box open. And so here is what all comes inside the box. We'll look at the book here in just a moment, but we've got a 3.5 millimeter crochet hook, a variety of yarns to make Ariel and Cinderella. So we've got a kind of a cream color for the skin, yellow, red, blue, some extra colors for the details. We've got safety eyes, a yarn needle, and some embroidery thread. And I know the thread, I believe, is for making the little smiles. And so here we've got safety eyes, needle, thread, and then usually underneath here, we've got stuffing to help make the projects. So now we'll go ahead and take a look at the book. So here we'll take a better look at the crochet pattern book, and it has really nice pictures, and this is just coming because I've used this book so many times. But we've got our table of contents, we've got stitches and techniques, and then some more information, and then we get into the pattern. Here's Cinderella, and there's pictures to go along with the stitches, and we've got the fairy godmother, Snow White, Aurora, Ariel, Belle, Jasmine, make sure I didn't miss one, nope, Pocahontas, Mulan, Tiana, Rapunzel, and Merida. And so those are all the princesses that you're able to make. So here is my original copy of the book and the new one, and you will see that I have used this book so many times where it's actually coming apart because I have made these princesses so many times. So I can definitely vouch that when you're working through the patterns, they're definitely intact and you'll be able to complete the princesses because I've made all of them out of this book. So this has got a lot of love and wear and tear. So the next thing I want to do is I want to show you what some of the dolls look like size-wise and completed. Now keep in mind this is just my skill level, so if you're working on them, they may come out so much better. I'm just this is just how well I crochet. So we've got Belle, and we've got Aurora, and I used my own safety eyes because I have long since used up all of the materials in my original kit that I'd gotten a few years ago. So everything I'm using is my own yarn, safety eyes, thread, everything. And so this kind of gives you an idea of size, how they look in, compared to like my hand, and just all around how cute they are. And then if you were ever struggling with making some of these dolls, Jana Whitley, the author of this book, She does have a YouTube channel and goes through the patterns and how to I know she has one for Cinderella's hair, and I think she's made quite a few more. So that way, if you want to see how some of the stitches are made, if you're kind of confused somewhere along the way, you can be able to go onto her YouTube channel and get even more assistance. So this video was just a quick unboxing to show you what was inside. I'm not really going to consider this a review. I'm too partial to this kit. I just enjoy it too much. So for me, it's something I just wanted to share because I enjoyed it so much. I wanted to be able to let you see what this kit had to offer in case it was something you were considering. If you have any questions, you can leave comments down below, and I hope you enjoyed the unboxing, and thank you so much. Bye.